That's my peace sign. Good morning to all you sky watchers. This is your boy, Shadow Ninja, aka Shiraki Afghanistan, aka Patriot Patrick, aka KAK. Hey, I almost gotta hold it up like they train you how you have to hold your pistol, with the hand underneath. Boom. And the flashlight, you know what I'm saying. Clue. Isn't that beautiful? That is a birds in the negative for you this morning. Thought you might enjoy that beautiful treat. And it's a lovely beginning. Doesn't it seem like summer should be like just about winding down? Summer's just beginning. You go up again, yo. Beautiful. Let's see. There's Robbie on the pole. See him on the fence right there. That is Robbie right there. And he kind of protects all the other little birds around here. Jack Sparrow and Mia Sparrow, they live up there. I'm gonna miss all these creatures. I'm gonna miss them badly. But, when the Lord tells you move, you move. Don't make no question about it. So, just be safe this day. And hey, when the Lord tells you to move, there's Jack and Mia. When the Lord tells you to move, don't come off the roof to go in the house to grab a coat so you can, okay? You got what I'm saying? In Jesus' name, just get. I love you all deeply and gratefully and appreciate you all deeply and gratefully. Is deeply a word? You bet your ass it is now.